Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Roblox account that will receive alerts. Sign in now and make sure your email is verified so Roblox can deliver messages. This reduces delivery failures. Once done, enable two-step authentication if you value security. This avoids blocked messages from suspicious sessions. Then open Settings and go directly to Notifications. That's where you control the channels. You're setting the foundation: correct account, confirmed contact, and the notification panel, ready to accept specific toggles. Now you enable the specific alerts you need and select channels. Go through friend requests, messages, and place updates and toggle each one on. You'll see why. Granular control prevents noise. Make sure you enable push notifications for mobile and web notifications for desktop so you don't miss real-time events. If you want redundancy, set email and SMS preferences. This creates fallback paths if push fails. Once configured, test one change to confirm delivery and move to device-level settings next. Finish by aligning device permissions with your Roblox settings so alerts can arrive. On your phone, allow notifications for Roblox in system settings. On desktop, permit site notifications in the browser. Then trigger a test, send a friend request or message from a second account to confirm delivery. If you don't receive it, make sure the app is updated. Clear the app cache or browser cache, and re-log in to reset tokens. These steps usually resolve permission or stale token problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.